What is Softorwebapp? Softorwebapp is a YouTube channel which discuss about computer softwares, smartphone apps, web-based applications and cloud apps. We share features of the mentioned platform from what we have learned. We have also shared unique and hidden features in the platforms. One of them is, we are the first to reveal their hidden trick of convert Blogger to website with multiple pages. Join our channel by subscribing and let we share, discuss useful tips in the software and cloud apps.